Well, nature serves as an inspiration for the upscale cuisine served at one Miami Beach restaurant.
The chef guarantees you'll be wild about what's cooking tonight, so it's time to grab a bite with Belkys.
The chef, Jose Mendin, serving up Asian and European style cuisine at Habitat on Miami Beach.
It's a little bit of all my experiences. You know, they're going to find a lot of Asian ingredients, a lot of European technique. It's like a very local environment where everybody know each other and have fun and like they just share dishes.
Habitat focuses on food from 4 elements of nature: water, air, land, and fire. It features upscale dishes from each, and it's open 7 days a week for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and brunch on Sundays. So stop by and try one of their most popular dishes, wild mushroom risotto. Chef Jose starts with vegetable oil in a pot over medium heat. He adds sliced garlic, then the mushrooms, white brown, and maitake. You can find any of these in the grocery store, but Chef says you can use any type of mushrooms you like. Next, stir and let them cool for about a minute.
And now when the mushrooms are almost cooked, I'm gonna deglaze with a little bit of MARSALA wine, which I love mushroom MARSALA. For me, like the perfect combination. When you cook down the MARSALA, it tastes like a little bit like maple.
Now it's time for the rice. He uses pre-cooked bomba rice. If you can't find bomba rice, you can substitute.
Arbora rice is good, cannoli rice is good. You want to use a short grain, but a very thick short grain.
He throws in truffle butter for extra flavor, and next comes a stock made from dried shiitake mushrooms.
We do the dried shiitake stock by boiling the dried shiitakes in water. We put a little bit of seaweed in there, kelp, and we put black truffles into it and also add some soy sauce.
You can find a simple stock recipe on our website. Next comes butter and Parmesan cheese. Let it simmer a little longer and the risotto is ready. Chef Jose spoons the risotto onto a plate, adds a poached egg on top, and garnishes with microgreens, white truffles, and olive oil.
And with a truffle risotto, we recommend our house cocktail, the 5th element. Cheers. Welcome to Habitat Restaurant at the One Hotel. This is our black truffle risotto with bomba rice. Buen provecho.
Thank you, Chef. Cheers. That does look good. If you want the recipe, it's on our website. Click on Entertainment, then click on Bite, and you can also check out my Bite blog while you're there. Live in the Newsplex, I'm Belkys. Bon appetito.